Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. For my 10-minute declutter today, I wanted to finish the last bathroom in our home. I couldn't remember when I had organized the drawers last, so I figured it was time to do it again. When I looked in the drawers, they looked good to me, so I didn't have to do any decluttering. It was a nice surprise. Since I had planned to work there, I decided to just wipe down the bathroom instead. I also washed the rugs and the towels and put them back. I've been trying to wipe down the bathrooms and wash the towels each week, which makes it easier to clean in the long run since you're doing it on a regular basis. Find a place in your home. It may be a drawer, a shelf, or a specific category of something like socks, ties, pajamas, etc. Set the timer and see what you can do in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.